Hello everyone, this is Patricia Gonzalez. I'm going to show you really quick the VR project that I'm working on. Well, the VR project that I created, it's using Adobe Captivate 2019. And while generating all the slides, it gives you the opportunity to share it with other devices such as an iPad or from your phone. So I'm going to go ahead and play it. And right here, it's this picture that I added. It's a 360 degree video picture that I got from the website itself. You can also get pictures from the web, or you can create your own 360 pictures with a 360 camera. So right here, I just added hotspots. That's the only thing that I added because I didn't want it to make it look really heavy, because I wanted to add a balanced amount of text and visuals. So right here, since I am instructing 8-year-old to 12-year-olds on a summer camp this June, so I'm going to teach them about virtual reality and augmented reality. This right here explains, first of all, what's virtual reality, and we're going to go over it, but it's pretty much walking around the classroom and exploring what a virtual reality is. Right here, this is a picture I'm going to show them just to explain how does a painting in VR looks like. I have another hotspot right here that there's another tilt brush from Google that you can create art with that and using controls. You go around, you keep exploring. I'm going to ask them questions. Have you ever played virtual reality games? Have you used any gear? And just kind of like to get to know each other and to start a conversation among them. Another things that we can use besides Adobe Captivate to create virtual reality content or instruction, it's you can also do Discovery VR. For example, there's the Week of Sharks, and you can use Discovery VR. There's an application for that also. You can also do science through a science website. It's called I forget the name, but it's a science website that kind of like a iStation. You purchase a license and you get virtual reality instructional plans using VR gear. You can also use our amazing Nearpod, and there's a lot of 360 videos to cities. You can also explore the ocean with Nearpod. Or you can also use YouTube videos and watch, just enjoy and relax and watch videos to different cities, to the forest, and there's all kinds of videos on YouTube that you can use, and you just need a VR glasses. This is another picture just to show them what does the gear look like. Right here, this hotspot, when you click on it, and it goes to another 360 picture, but this is very neat because this is the testing part. After I give the instruction for it's 2 hours a day, if I'm not done the first day, I can continue the next one and then eventually give them the test. So the testing, I am thinking I can include them to my classroom also. When you click on this hotspot, it gives them a question. So you can move it around here just to kind of like let them see that. What's virtual reality? They have to answer, they pick a question, it's a code, no, or it's a 3D real life physical environment. Let's pick the wrong answer to see what it does. When you click submit, it tells you incorrect. Okay, continue. Go to the second question. Okay, what application can you use to virtual reality visit wild habitats, Discovery VR, or Disney Channel? Let's pick the right answer. Let's see what it does. And it tells you that if it's correct or not. And you go around, and you can add a lot of hotspots and add more questions to it. And let's see, let's pick the right answer for this one. Application can I use to create VR sceneries, YouTube app, or coding edu, which that's another website that I'm using to create virtual reality content. submit. This is correct. You cannot, like I said, you cannot more hotspots. And then right here in this one is your exit ticket. Then it gives you your results. How neat is this? And in the classroom, I can see my students because testing with this one, because even though I'm in first grade, my kids have amazing ability skills to cheat on their test, look at the other person's test. And I think with the virtual reality glasses, they won't be able to do it. But it's just another option that we can have in the classroom. And then your scores, or you fail, you passed or not, what was your accuracy, your attempts, continue. Or you can review your quiz and it tells you what was the right answer for all of them. Okay, so this is my virtual reality project.